So today I am talking about attraction and how it works like a GPS in my life, and most probably it will work like that in your life too. I hope that was not very disturbing. So now, like having grown up a little, now I have realized that every person that I'm attracted to, and I'm talking about people particularly, not things or every person that I have been attracted to or I am attracted to currently or in future, each one seems to carry some key or like a code of the thing that I need to develop in myself next. मतलब I'm on this journey of life and growth, है ना. So generally whenever I'm attracted to a person now, I have become very curious. Like okay, इस इंसान में ना ऐसा क्या है that I can develop, and life can expand more within. What can I pick up, what can I draw? But now that has happened, it has taken a long time. So in a way, everyone that I have been attracted to, I am attracted to and will be in future, is sort of a teacher in my life. Guru बोलते हैं ना कि वो तुमको ना कुछ देने आया. It may even be just for a moment. कभी कभी it's just in one moment. Maybe they are here just to give you a little spark of fresh air, light. Spark of fresh air. Spark of light. Or like a wave of fresh air. Or sometimes they're there for a month or so. Ana jana, maybe they'll trigger some pattern in you and bring it to light, or it may even go on for a longer duration. So with different people will experience it for different durations, and what that inspires in us may be different. Sometimes it's positive and good feelingy, but sometimes it may bring up negative stuff also. Positive, negative, negative as in the stuff that is होल्डिंग लाइफ बैक विद इन. ठीक है, उसको ना तो डार्कनेस में रहता है ना, तो दे हेल्प अस ब्रिंग इट अप सो दैट वी कैन लुक एट इट, एंड देन वंस वी लुक एट इट, इट स्टार्ट्स कमिंग टू लाइट एंड डिजॉल्विंग. वो डिजॉल्व होने लगता है फिर. लेकिन इतना सारा ज्ञान आने को ना थोड़ा टाइम लगा है. सो नाउ आई रियलाइज कि हाँ, I am attracted, so yeah, there's something in there for me. So the next time you find yourself attracted to somebody, take it as an experiment. कि क्या है, become like वो investigative, थोड़ा detective वाले zone में चले जाना कि क्या है इसमें, कि there's some quality that I'm picking up. Is it the energy, or is it a lesson? What has this person come into my life for? वो थोड़ा curiosity, not hyper but a little. So try to do that. It will be really really helpful. But this is the teaching learning part, but समय लगा है. So what happened is earlier, much younger, teenage and just growing up in that phase, so all attraction I used to mistake it to be romance. Maybe the conditioning was like that or what, I don't know. So for a long time I was like, oh, romance is calling, attraction and like मेरा ऐसा है ना, if I'm not attracted to somebody currently ना, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है यार इतना खाली हो गया लाइफ. Why is there like nothing going on? But anyways, it's fun. But तब नहीं समझ में आता था, and because of that ना, I think I have lost many connections with people because I just misunderstood that attraction to be a call to romance and maybe a stronger, longer bond. Then there was that phase of romance. Then there was another phase of, I don't know why that happened. Attraction हुआ ना, just oh my god, नहीं होना चाहिए. There was also that phase, okay. It's so weird, नहीं होना चाहिए क्या होता है, but yeah. So either I have gone too far into it, like I have like pursued it and tried to make something happen out of it, or I have retracted. Like over the years, most of the time the patterns have been that. Now finally, after ट्रायल एंड एरर ये सीखते सीखते ना अभी जाके वो समझ में आया है कि अट्रैक्शन इज़ जस्ट लाइफ इज़ लाइक जस्ट कॉलिंग यू लाइक यार यहाँ देखो थोड़ा यू नो जस्ट पे अटेंशन ओवर हियर देयर इज समथिंग इन दिस फॉर यू. So yeah, without killing the excitement of an attraction, look at it, become curious and see what color that can add to your life. Me signing off, Abhi, with love. This is Aapki Abhilasha.